Hello and welcome to VanQuest instructional video. This is Spencer. The fuel is diesel. We have a misfueling device. We'll explain that to you if you hire from us. We have two single front swivel seats. I'll just show you how to turn the passenger seat round first. You need to unlock the locking mechanism, which is the lever in the middle, after you've pulled it forwards. For the driver's seat, to turn round, you need to make sure the van is in gear, that you lower the handbrake and that the seat is in the fully upright position. There's a lever on the side to do that. I'm going to explain how to use the control panel. Press the power to turn it on. You've got an L for the leisure battery, a V for the vehicle battery. Don't worry about the vehicle battery. If you want to check the level of power, just press the leisure battery button again and it just gives you an indication of the power level. Down below we've got the tap and the water level buttons. You have to have the tap turned on for the water to work, and then you have a water indicator light. It's empty just at the moment. We send you away with a full tank of water. Down below we have the diesel heater. Press it twice to turn it on. There's two temperature settings that will show. There's the temperature that it is in the van and there's the temperature that you want it set at. So for example, if you want it set to 17 degrees overnight, press it down to set down or up to 17, and when it comes on to that temperature, the heater will kick in. Press and hold to turn off. Okay, just show you a couple of light switches. We've got the switch here, which lights up underneath, and we have a touch off and on. You just touch the metal surround. And the large rectangular light at the rear, you touch the middle button, you get a blue light, touch it to turn it on, and if you press and hold, the light will dim, and then touch again to turn off. Okay, I'll just show you the roof lights. So you need to pull down and pull back towards you to lift up, and then pull down and basically reverse to close nice and gently. We do also have a mozzie net and then a shutter blind. Okay, this is our fridge. It's a 12 volt 65 litre fridge. You lift the handle to open the door. We provide you with it turns on, but the power button is in here. Press and hold to turn on. We generally give it to you on a medium setting. You can press and hold the temperature settings here just to adjust, and then press and hold to turn the power off again. Okay, so the rear of the van has a kitchen. You have the gas hob and the water. Gas hob is very much like your gas cookers at home. You do need to have the power on because it is an electric ignition switch. And then the water, you do have to have the water on, the control panel for the water to actually come through. There is also a gas oven and grill down below. There's full instructions in the paperwork that we give you on how to use that. So Spencer's provided you fairly well equipped for all your cooking needs. This cupboard here, we've got some plates, bowls, wine glasses, teacups in here, cutlery drawer here. There's a couple of cupboards just down below there for storage. You've got two drawers here, large drawer just for storage of whatever you like. And we've got shelves here. You've got your saucepans and your kettle there. Another thing that Spencer has is a DVD player. So this cupboard opens. You need to clip it back with this latch here, and then your remote control is in here. Feel free to bring some DVDs if you want. So I'll just show you how to put the top bed down. You need to lift this down, move the cushions out the way, and then you have the bed boards, which you just need to lift down from the storage area. From there, and one there. And then you slot your cushions in. Most people get the kids to sleep up here, but it is strong enough for an adult if you need to. So to put the rock and roll bed out, you just need to make sure the two front swivel seats are pushed fully forward and turn round in the driving position. Then you need to lift the lever flip the seat over, unlock the locking mechanisms that are inside here, release the catch that's holding the rear of the bed up, drop it down. And then to put away, you just reverse the process. So in the rear of the camper van, you've got a few bits. You've got the table, which can stand here. This also comes off and will go inside the van. We'll show you the setup of that in just a moment. This is excellent for if you're sort of cooking and barbecuing outside. We've got the cupboard here with the gas bottles in. You get 2 bottles, you get 1 full, 1 in use. Clockwise to turn them off, we'll explain that to you. In this cupboard you have silver screens. All in the rear of the van you've got curtains, but we provide you with silver screens for the 2 side doors and the front window in the van. Silver side out, they just suck it on. And we provide you with camping chairs, 1 for each person. We've got a nice deep cupboard in here. Generally slide the chairs in there and there's plenty of room for other bits and pieces too. So this is the water tank here. You get a key with the ignition key. We provide you with a hose pipe, which is in the rear locker. You just attach to the campsite hose, fill it in here. Don't worry about filling it up to return it to us. We fully change the water in between each customer. And the other thing to show you is the electric hookup. So we have the electric hookup here. Just need to lift the blue cap, run it along the top. Press in here. This will plug into your campsite electrics, and to release you have a blue lever here. You just push down, give it a wiggle and pull it off. So this is the table that was in the rear of the camper van door, just to show you how it can be used in the van. So you've got the foldable leg here, and you lift it up. You've got your locking mechanisms here, which you need to unlock to remove it, and you need to lock it when you're actually using it. And that would lift up, and then that can be placed on the back of the door again. And then just to show you the little coffee table that we have here as well. This can just be used when you're lying down in bed. Okay, so just want to show you how to use the side windows. So you've got your lock here, which you need to grip together and then give it a wiggle and open. You do need to keep this open, because if you push, it will lock into position. So if you want to fully open it, you need to keep it open. And then to close, do the reverse. And you do need to give it a fairly solid push just to make sure it shuts properly. Then our top windows here, there's a little lever. You need to push it in, slide the window back. There is a lock here, which when that's pushed down, it won't open. So just so that you're aware of that, don't worry about locking it, but just in case you're wondering why the window's not opening. And then also here we have the mozzie nets. By lifting that up, and then you press the 2 buttons on the side, and that pulls down for a blind. So this is our pull-out awning. Just need to start off by unzipping. For those of you hiring a drive-away awning from us, this is the channel that the K-door strip goes in. We'll go through that with you a little bit more in-depthly if necessary. So now you need to undo the Velcro straps. There's 3, 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. Then you unroll the awning all the way out. Then there's the 2 legs, which you release. And then with the twisting mechanism at the bottom, release it to the desired length, and then you twist to lock. And then with somebody supporting the middle, you need to get the side arms. Again, you have the twisting action to unlock. Then you need to loop it through, thread it through the holes, and then you need to twist it to lock it. Same with the other side. Then you have the Velcro straps. There's 3 on each side. There is the guide wires that we provided for you in the back of the van to use for extra stability. We do advise that you don't use it in high winds. If it's raining, it's like a tent-like canvas material, so you do have to be mindful of the water. What you can do is just twist one of these legs and just drop it down a little bit so the rain drains off. Okay, then to pop it away, and then you zip it all the way out.